Dear community.
Dear community.
Dear community.
You've been a big supporter of our education at Saddleback Valley Unified School District.
A supporter of our students.
A supporter of our teachers.
I love the lessons I get to design for my students.
I love the engagement I see in their eyes.
I love school.
And we love the things we get to learn and do at school.
The opportunities we have here at Saddleback help us now
And in the future.
Dear community.
In the past, you've provided these opportunities for our children.
You've provided the best for our kids.
Our goal is to update our learning environments
So we can continue our innovative practices.
It's a team effort.
Let's empower our students to succeed.
Let us make sure they are prepared.
For their future.
By teaching them the skills they need now,
And will always need.
Dear community.
We need to provide our kids with a safe environment.
So we can ignite their curiosity and ignite their imagination.
They deserve the best learning environment.
so we can change and adapt like our changing world.
We want to be prepared.
and take initiative.
So we can be leaders,
Entrepreneurs.
Be anything we want to be.
Classrooms and updated facilities help give us these opportunities.
innovative learning spaces allow us to work together.
So we can collaborate
Communicate.
And be ready for the global economy.
We can provide our learners with access to information.
We can teach our students to analyze data.
And be ready for the world.
When it comes to educating our kids,
Schools matter.
And we need you to know
The updates needed to our learning environments at every school site.
The needs are identified in our facilities master plan.
Our learning environments are instrumental.
In preparing us,
so we can meet the challenges
Of today,
And tomorrow.
Thank you.
thank you.
thank you.